Hey team, this is Thomas and Tyler. This is the fourth installment of my brisket process. And what I've just done is I've pulled the brisket off the smoker. I kept it there for 5 hours at 225. I just pulled it off, and let's see what we have here. By the way, I had to use my gloves, my fancy gloves, to get it off. But what you want whenever you uh, pull the brisket off, you're looking for it to be super, super tender. So you just push the fork in there. It should just sink in there almost like butter. And it should be really pliable. And that's exactly what I see. It's got a huge bed of juice that's just soaking in, which keeps it super, super moist. What I need to do is let this rest, let it get to not necessarily room temperature, but it's got to be cool enough that I can strip the fat off of the fatty portion. Right now it's just too hot to do that. But that's going to be the next step. So you pull it off the grill upon visual inspection. It needs to be really pliable, bouncy, almost like Jello. It would be a good way to think of it. And then the fork needs to just slip in there, almost like butter. As you just slip right in there with no problem, no resistance, and that's how you know that your brisket is ready. And by the way, this is ready. The two lean portions right here. Notice the texture is super, super dark. See how just mushy it is? It just almost like it's almost like going in some butter. It's just super, 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 super moist and tastes good. This is the fluid that I drain off of the briskets and put it into these containers, and then I put these in the refrigerator, and then you wait 24 hours, and the fat layer is about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch thick. You just peel that off with a fork, and then what you have left is a gelatinous gelatin that you can use and season the briskets later if you decide to freeze them.